This video teaches you how to convert a scanned document into an editable Word document on your Windows PC. Open Microsoft Word and go to File. Click Open. Select your scanned PDF and just wait a few seconds. Microsoft Word will convert it for you. Once it's ready, check for any formatting issues or typos and make edits as needed. When you're done, go to File. Click Save, or just save the file by pressing Ctrl+S, choose a name and location, then click Save. And that's it. You've successfully converted a scanned document into Word. If you found this video helpful, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel for even more helpful tutorials.